With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, we are given with a question, and the question says, in a real gas, the internal energy depends on temperature and also on volume. The energy increases when the gas expands isothermally. So the energy increases when the gas expands isothermally. Looking into the derivation of Cp minus Cv equals R, find whether Cp minus Cv will be more than R, less than R, or equal to R for a real gas here. So in real gas, we have the internal energy that depends on temperature, temperature and volume. So the derived dq by dq at constant pressure is equal to dq at constant volume plus nr dt. This was the first law, but here dq at constant pressure would be equal to dq at constant volume plus nr dt plus k, where k here is an change in internal energy. K is change in internal energy, and other internal energy and other variables have usual meanings. That is, Q is heat, T is temperature, R is constant, N is number of moles. Right? So here, due to change in volume, this is positive change due to change in volume when pressure is kept constant. So pressure is kept constant and there is a change in volume that occurs here in this case. So in case of real gas, since N is equal to 1 mole, let's say, so Cp minus Cv is equal to R plus K by dt, right? That would be the amount, total amount. So since K is positive, dt is also positive. Pressure is kept constant, volume is increased, so therefore the temperature would also increase. So Cp minus Cv can be written as greater than R. So here the value would be greater than R. So our answer would be more than R. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.